Your bottle of hydrogen peroxide is too valuable to just stay in your first aid kit. While the inexpensive liquid is known for its medical uses in bleaching hair, it's also a versatile substance that can be used in a host of other ways. Hydrogen peroxide, formula H2O2, is a chemical compound that's a combination of hydrogen and water. The clear liquid acts as a mild antiseptic and comes in various potencies depending on its purpose: 3%, household use; 6 to 10%, hair bleaching; 35%, food grade; and 90%, industrial. Most stores carry the 3% solution, packaged in a signature brown bottle. For years, medical professionals recommended using hydrogen peroxide to treat minor scrapes and cuts. That's because when it's placed on the skin, it foams, which indicates it's killing bacteria. Today, doctors know hydrogen peroxide also kills healthy cells, so many no longer recommend its use for that purpose. It also can be harmful if it gets in your eyes, covers a large area of your skin, or is ingested, especially the food-grade hydrogen peroxide. But no worries. Hydrogen peroxide has many other helpful applications, some of which might be new to you. Here are 9. The hydrogen peroxide referred to in these examples is the 3% version unless noted otherwise. Number 1. Remove pit stains. Let's face it, brownish-yellow armpit stains are embarrassing and aggravating, especially if they develop on a fairly new garment. Erase them by creating a solution of 1 part dishwashing liquid and 2 parts hydrogen peroxide, then applying it to the stain for about an hour. Wash in cold water, then dry and wear. Note: a tough stain may also require scrubbing with baking soda. Number 2. Grow mushrooms. It's crazy, but true. Hydrogen peroxide, the 35% version, helps combat mold infections that can ruin shrooms. Apply a few drops to fruiting chambers, where mushrooms grow, to instantly add oxygen. Number 3. Clean the dishwasher. Use hydrogen peroxide to clean out your dishwasher. You can spray hydrogen peroxide directly into the appliance, let sit a bit, then wipe out. Number 4. Whiten. Almost anything, from fingernails to grout, hydrogen peroxide is great at whitening and brightening many items, such as stained tiles, dirty grout, and even fingernails. For the latter, combine 1 part hydrogen peroxide with 2 parts baking soda and rub the paste on your nails. Let sit for 2 or 3 minutes, then rinse away. For whitening grout, either pour the hydrogen peroxide straight onto the tile or make a paste with baking soda and scrub away. 5. Make a mouthwash. Hydrogen peroxide is especially great for dental hygiene. Use it as a mouthwash to kill germs, making sure to dilute first, half water, half hydrogen peroxide, then swish in your mouth for 1 minute and spit out. Never swallow. An added benefit of this mouthwash: it'll whiten your teeth. You can also use it to disinfect and clean your toothbrush and any dental appliances, such as retainers and mouthguards. Number 6. Boost your laundry. No need to buy those expensive commercial laundry products that have the words "Oxy" in them and promise to whiten your clothes. Simply add a cup of hydrogen peroxide to your washing machine when doing a load of whites. The hydrogen peroxide will also deodorize clothes and remove stains. You can pour it directly on stains, but do a color-fast test first if you're applying to darker clothes. Number 7. Kill mold and mildew. As we noted earlier, hydrogen peroxide kills bacteria, but it also dispatches fungi such as mold and mildew. So grab a spray bottle of hydrogen and spray your bathroom fixtures, floors, walls, humidifier, dehumidifier, even your shower curtain. That fizzy sound will tell you it's working. Number 8. Grow your garden. Gardeners know one of the best substances for their plants is hydrogen peroxide. The all-purpose liquid can help with pest control, prevent infection on damaged trees, kill foliage fungus and combat root rot, as well as improve plant growth. That extra oxygen causes the roots to absorb more nutrients. For pest control or growth, add 1 teaspoon to 1 cup of water in a spray bottle and mist the plant. To combat root rot or fungal infections, use 1 tablespoon per cup of water. Number 9. Keep food fresher. Spraying salad greens with a little H2O2, then returning them to the fridge, will thwart sogginess for several days. Fruits and veggies also can be spritzed or bathed in a hydrogen peroxide solution to keep them fresher longer. Just be sure to rinse them thoroughly before eating. Thanks again for watching. Watch our other videos and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.